Waiting for spring to arrive, I remember seeing narcissus flowers in my mother's garden in Japan, where I grew up. Narcissus usually grows and blooms in the middle of winter, and in Beppu it was about maybe February, towards the end of winter. And so I remember all these dainty flowers, just white petals, just so delicate, and they're growing all over in front of our house. My mother would take a few and place them in this beautiful Japanese vase, and that's the image that I still remember till this day. Because narcissus flowers grow despite cold winter temperatures, I wanted to bring that resilience and also the warmth of sunny spring sun. So I decided to work with yellow to brighten up the cold winter, and the purple background also represent the cold winter feel. And that is the story that I wanted to tell in this piece.